Forest River, if you do not know, makes an incredible line of RVs, from travel trailers to fifth wheels to motorhomes. One line is the incredibly efficient and versatile Forest River Wildwood FSX. The FSX line consists of small, lightweight travel trailers, from bunkhouses to rear bath to toy haulers, designed for those of you who appreciate an active lifestyle. Plus, you can get one with a conventional exterior or laminate. Let's take a look at some of the amazing camp-friendly features that you're sure to appreciate inside your FSX. On the Wildwood interior, the herringbone pattern vinyl flooring that's extra thick to withstand a lot of punishment season after season. Every Wildwood FSX comes with a 13,500 BTU AC unit to keep cool and an evergreen mattress complete with a fitted sheet to rest your weary, adventure-filled bones. Let's talk about the Wildwood FSX kitchen for a moment. For a smaller travel trailer, it's a beaut. You'll get a very impressive 11 cubic foot frost-free double door fridge, residential high-rise faucet with recessed undermount sink placed into a seamless countertop, a microwave, a 2-burner cooktop with glass cover that doubles as both a prep area when shut and a backsplash when open. Wildwood FSX models come with multiple USB ports, a waterproof portable FM Bluetooth stereo, and of course, Wi-Fi prep as well. That leads us to the exterior. Storage is made easier with large 32 by 16 baggage doors that have magnetic catches. Relaxation comes easy too when you're outside under the power awning. The exterior also has a convenient outside shower with hot and cold water to help keep the outside, well, outside. You'll also get a backup camera prep, solar prep kit, and the feature everyone loves but no one wants to talk about, the black tank flush. When it comes to floor plans, Wildwood FSX models are designed to be lightweight with all of the non-toy haulers under 4,000 pounds unloaded and around 22 feet in length. Now let's take a peek into some of those fabulous floor plans that the Wildwood FSX has to offer, starting with the very popular bunkhouse, the 179 DBK. This super efficient bunkhouse can sleep up to 7, has double over double bunks, and a queen Murphy bed that doubles as a sofa. In the 179 DBK, you can also get an outside kitchen griddle. For the camping couple, you have the 167 RBK. This rear bath layout has an impressive wardrobe closet in the bathroom. Up front, you'll find a Murphy bed and outside a beverage fridge. The 170 SS has an impressively large slide out, U-shaped dinette, hidden bonus bunk, and a Murphy bed. It can sleep up to 6. Now the Wildwood FSX toy haulers are mostly over 4,500 pounds unloaded, range up to 32 feet in length, and most have cargo carrying capacities over 2,500 pounds. As far as toy hauler floor plans, you'll have a great selection to choose from. That includes the 260 RT and the 270 RTK. The 260 RT has over 13 feet of garage space, a fireplace, a pair of flip-down sofa sleepers, and a walk-around bed separated by a walk-through bathroom. The 260 RT can sleep up to 4. Now we have the 270 RTK. This one is special. You'll find a fireplace next to the L-shaped kitchen, 13 feet of garage space, a walk-in closet in the bedroom, a roof-mounted 90-watt solar panel, 30-amp controller, 15,000 BTU AC, and outside kitchen with griddle. The 270 RTK can sleep up to 4. When you're looking for an efficient small travel trailer or toy hauler with a lot of features, taking a look into the Wildwood FSX line is a great idea. Check out the models on campingworld.com to find the Forest River Wildwood FSX for you, your family, and maybe even your toys. Good luck and happy camping.